Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's class. In today's class we will have a talk about the NCERT syllabus, the tiny teacher. This is the 7th class NCERT book 2 supplementary reader. So let's get started. As a title as the title of the chapter suggests, it is a tiny teacher, a very tiny teacher, and let us know what is that tiny teacher. So we are talking about a creature which is unbelievably very small, but it's extremely intelligent and hardworking, and they are of various kind, and the commonest of them are black and red. So let us guess which is that tiny teacher that is being talked about. If you have to name any insect that you have seen which is wise, which can fly, so now people guess that it can be a mosquito or it can be a worm, but it's surprisingly none of these, but it is ant, which is the commonest, which is the smallest, and which is the wisest of all the insects. Now it just talks about the story of the life of an ant, which is almost believed to be untrue, because ant is extremely hardworking animal, hardworking creature, and people adopt ants as pets and watch their behavior closely, which is changing day to day. And there are number of very great facts about these creatures, that is ant, which is extremely a hard working creature. So ant has an antennae or feelers, which helps them to talk to other animals or pass messages through them. And have you ever watched a row of ants, which are the row of ants passing by down the wall or up the wall, and each one greets one another, which is coming from the opposite direction. So they are extremely hardworking, and which teaches humans a lot to be kind to people, to be wise, to be helpful, and to live in unity, because we human today lack unity and nothing else. Have you ever seen an ant which is falling? It walks again, it crawls again until it reaches where it has to reach. So today we are going to talk about one of the most interesting topic, the tiny teacher. In the second page, the description is given about different kinds of ant, and it is told about one of the commonest ant. जो सबसे common ant होती है वो black और red ants होती है. And we have ever seen, we have always seen red and black ants, but we have not somehow noticed. और अचंभे की बात ये है कि उनका भी एक घर होता है, उनका भी एक comfortable home होता है. वो nest में रहते हैं. इनके homes को ant hill बोलते हैं और nest बोलते हैं. और उन ant hills या nest में बहुत सारे rooms होते हैं और passages होते हैं, और उनमें से जो कुछ रूम्स में ना क्वीन ले एग्स, the mother ant lay eggs in those rooms, and others are nursery the rooms for young ones, and the young ones are known as the young ones of ant is known as grubs. This is the third page, which is one of the most attractive lines given here, that workers भी एक reserve quarters में रहते हैं. Workers also have their reserve quarters except the house for queen and grubs. एंड सोल्जर्स जो वर्कर्स है वो अपना ज़्यादातर टाइम है ना लगाते हैं खाना ढूंढने में, और कुछ रूम्स वो रिज़र्व करते हैं अपने जो खाना स्टोर करने के, तो वो इट सर्व्स एज द स्टोर हाउस फॉर फूड. और सोल्जर्स जो होते हैं उनके स्पेशल बराक्स होते हैं, स्पेशल बिल्डिंग्स होती है. कोई भी वर्कर सोल्जर के हाउस में नहीं जाता है, कोई भी सोल्जर खाना ढूंढने नहीं जाता है. सब अपना अपना काम बखूबी करते हैं. एंड नो वर्कर और सोल्जर और क्लीनर इज एवर हार्म, और किसी भी वर्कर और सोल्जर या क्लीनर ने कभी भी किसी छोटे बेबी एंट को कभी भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाया. तो एंट की जो लाइफ है वो बहुत ही पीसफुल है, ब्रेव है, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं और बहुत कभी भी फाइट नहीं करते हैं. दे नेवर फाइट लाइक ह्यूमंस. दे लिव वेरी पीसफुली विद अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ द ग्रुप. दे आर So it is said that the queen ant is the mother of all the ants, and it lives for 15 years. It has pair of wings. The queen ant has a pair of wings, and and that bites off at the wedding flight, and she goes high up in the air and meets the male ant, and then on the earth, on the return to earth, when she take flights and come back, she gets off her wings, and she does nothing but she lays eggs, वो अंडे देती है फिर, and then eggs hatch होते हैं, and then grubs come out, and जो and the grub is guarded by the soldiers, and it is feeded by workers, and it is feeded and cleaned by workers, and workers to carry them for airing, exercise, and sunshine, as we carry little babies for sunshine. Ants do carry their young ones in sunshine to make them strong, and then after 2 or 3 weeks, the small grubs mature into cocoon, and they lie without food and activity for 3 weeks more, and then what happens is that the small cocoons break and the perfect ants appear. Now it is फिर क्या हुआ, cocoon टूट जाते हैं और perfect ant की shape में आ जाते हैं, and अभी time होता है जो ants की teaching और training का, and जो new ants होती है वो अपनी duties learn करती है old ants से, जैसे workers से, soldiers से, builders और cleaners से वो अपने काम को सीखती है, और कुछ वीक्स की ट्रेनिंग के बाद जो स्मॉल एंड्स है, दे आर now the small ants are matured into the big world of work where they can work actually, and work like the older ant, and एंट हिल होम होता है एंट्स का, सिर्फ एंट्स के लिए नहीं बट अलग अलग क्रिएचर्स के लिए, जैसे बीटल्स है, लेसर बीट्स ऑफ एंट्स है, ग्रीन फ्लाई है, बट वाई एंट्स वांट दीज ग्रीन फ्लाइज एंड द बीटल्स टू लिव इन द नेट्स, ये बहुत सारे रीज़न है, क्योंकि कोई अपने घर में किसी को रहने नहीं देता, बहुत सारे रीज़न है, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ग्रीन फ्लाई और एंट्स को अलाउ कर, एंट्स ग्रीन फ्लाइज को रहने के लिए परमिशन देती है. दे आर सेवरल रीज़न विच वी आर गोइंग टू विच वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन द नेक्स्ट पेज. बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं, जैसे उनकी स्मेल उनको बहुत प्लीजेंट लगती है टू द सेंसेस ऑफ द एंट, दैट्स वाई विच इज़ वन of the reason of keeping the ants of keeping the flies and other creatures into the ant hill. सो एंट्स भी पेट रखना बहुत पसंद करते हैं, वो पेट्स रखते हैं कैट्स और जैसे कि ह्यूमन बींग्स पसंद करते हैं कैट्स और डॉग्स को पेट रखना, वैसे ही एंट्स ऑल्सो लव टू keep green flies and beetles, sometimes for good smell, and sometimes it happens when the green fly touches the antennae of the ant, it produces milk. So it is it is put into variety of uses. The animals are put into the variety of uses. So basically the green fly serves as the milk of the cow serves when it touches the antennae of the antennae, when the green fly touches the antennae of the ants. And then in the last paragraph, in the closing line, a question is asked that if we have learned as much as ants, and perhaps ants have learned a lot, but we haven't learned to put those things, good things, into use. We have to still learn the variety of things from this tiny teacher, that is ant. We have to learn the hard work, we have to learn the sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, and caring the young ones, being loyal to the soldier ants, the worker ants, the cleaner ants. So life always happens with the coordination of things. We have to maintain utmost coordination with the people, with our surroundings, and also have a touch with the other creatures as well, so to make our work done, to be calm, to peace, and live in coordination with each other. So ants teach us living in unity, coordination, respecting each other, and being loyal to one another. And that's okay guys, after having a look over the explanation of the whole chapter, we will do the question answers, and you have doubt in case, you can put into the comment section below. Okay, every doubt will be answered in the comment section. The question number one says that the story of ants' life sounds almost untrue. The italicized phrase means. So, sounding untrue means what out of these options? Like highly exaggerated, too remarkable to be true, or not based on facts. So the story is highly exaggerated, as ant cannot have such a high profile life that's mentioned in the chapter. Now you need to fill in the blanks with the best option, okay, that you find. An insect is the smallest dash. It's a long dash, so you need to sum of words, variety of words. Like, an ant is the smallest insect we have seen. Of course, ant is the smallest insect that we've seen. We know a number of facts about an ant's life. Because why do we know a number of facts? Because maybe we have watched, each and every one of us has seen very closely the activities somehow, so that helped us maybe in knowing the facts about these ants. So people have kept ants as pets and watched their behavior closely. Okay, in what ways is ants life peaceful? So what makes ants life peaceful? Maybe then humans too, because basically they share honesty. They work honestly, wisely and bravely, which basically makes their life very peaceful. And they also do not indulge in the other stars as we humans do, and they never fight in the group. They are very cooperative. Okay, so how long does it take a grub? Grub is a um, ant which is in the egg, okay, which has not come out of the egg. So how long does it take a grub to become a complete ant? The grub takes around maybe 3 to 6. It may vary. The matureness may be varying. So the grub takes around 3 to 6 weeks to become cocoons and then to become a complete ant. So, why do the worker ants carry the grubs about? The grubs are basically carried by the worker class of ants, and the tasks like daily airing, exercise, and sunshine are being carried by workers to let the grubs for their daily airing, exercise, and sunshine. What jobs are the new ants trained for? New ants, the ant which have come out from like cocoons and now have become ready to be trained. So they are trained by the tasks, various tasks. The tasks related to the duties from like the older ants, and they are trained for becoming workers, soldiers, builders, and cleaners. So now you have to name some creatures that live in ant hill. So some of the creatures that live in ant hill besides ants are some open flies, beetles, and the lesser breed of ants. Mention three things that we have learned from the tiny teacher. Who is the tiny teacher here? Ants. So and you need to give reasons also why have you chosen it. Okay, so for the three important things that we learn from ants is hard work, sense of duty and discipline, loyalty and care for the young ones. And the reason for choosing these features is that these are necessary for the happiness and the smooth working of the society. All these features are important in the happiness and smooth working of the society, in every society, I think. So that should be maintained by each one of us. So the next question is, what problems are likely to be faced if you keep ants as pets? So what problems we humans can face if we pet ants? So mostly people keep pet like dogs, cats, cows, and so keeping ant is very unusual, it's very uncommon. So the reason is that they follow their own rules, they don't take orders, and they just bite food and spoil the food. That is the reason why the humans don't pet ants or have problems regarding petting ants. When a group of bees find nectar, it informs other bees of its location, quantity, etc. through dancing, gestures like dancing. And there's one thing that's common in the ants which inform the fellow ants. And how do they do that? By touching each other feelers. So what happens and what message do they give? So the fellow ants they touch the another feelers, the fellow ants feelers, and give the message of maybe the new food that's found. You need to complete the poem, interesting poem, with the box, with the fill in the blanks with these boxes. Soldiers live in barracks, yes, and birds live in nest. Much like a snake that rests in a hole. So snake rests in a hole. No horse is able to sleep except in a stable. So horse lives in stable. And a dog lives well, mind you, only in a kennel. Dog live in a kennel, and you may have to climb an ant hill to stay. Yes, you have to go to an ant hill to say hi to an ant. So guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.